Good morning friends, this is Major Dr. Praveen, and today I thought I will give you a good practice management tip. Though most of you must be doing this, but I thought I will insist upon this because this is one of the most important thing you're supposed to do in your clinic. When I used to conduct training programs for dentists, the one thing I found is many of the dentists, they don't know the importance of collecting the patient's name, phone number, address, email address, and the required data. Say for example, most of the dentists, especially who are practicing recently, I found they don't collect all this data. They just encourage the patient to come inside the clinic, and once they come inside the clinic, they just see the patient, attend their chief complaints or whatever, and they send the patient away. So in this, there are many problems you might face. One is, if you don't know the address and phone number and all this data is not there, something goes wrong in your clinic, so you won't know how to handle that situation. So always, if the patient take that phone number of the patient's even family members, so that any emergency you can always call them. If address is there, then we can always put him in an auto and send him back. If he's not feeling well, if he's feeling drowsy, we can always know where he is going to go, how far he is going to go. Okay, so if he is fainted, we don't know where he is from, who is he, and all that. That is point number one. Point number two, I just want to insist is in the management part, the data which you collect is everything. Nowadays the world is running on data. The businesses of the world like Amazon, Flipkart, and all that people, especially when you go and browse their websites, they identify the interest you have on the particular products or videos. So they study the customer's mentality using the data. So likewise, in our clinic, when patients come, we will know from which locality our patients are coming. So what kind of patients are, what kind of economical background they belong to. So you will know the whereabouts of the patients and their quality of the patients who are coming to you. So in my practice, when I find nowadays I'm getting a lot of patients from various places. Those days I used to get only from my local area, Anana, Ashok Nagar and West Mambla. Now I am getting moreover from very different parts of Chennai and parts of the world also, because nowadays internet is open and people are seeing our internet websites, Facebook and all that. So they see all this information, and they even come a long way to take some treatment. So in one way, it is always good to know where your patients are from. Thirdly, if there is something called customer follow-up. There are many dentists, because of their lack of timings, their lack of resources, they don't know how to do a proper follow-up. Follow-up of treatment is something different, and follow-up of patient is something different. For treatment, there are doctors who call them up and say, your appointment is due, please come over, and all that. That is normal. But after that episode of treatment is over, many of them, they don't have a proper methodology to follow them up periodically for their hygiene visits, for their preventive dentistry. Because most of the people, once they come inside and go out, if you are not in constant touch with your patients or customers, definitely there are more chances of you losing the patient. So if you have an SMS database, say if you have 500 patients and 500 patients are coming to your clinic in a year, if you have that 500 database, actually if you contact them, at least 100 people will come back to you for a cleaning. You can do a simple SMS marketing. You can buy a bulk SMS package and you can send it to them saying that this is your cleaning reminder, kindly come over for a checkup and a free checkup and a discounted cleaning. So in this way you are preventing their dental diseases, and you are also be in touch with your customers. So this is very important. So I hope this video is very useful for all of you. There are many people who have softwares to do all that, like Practo, HQ, and there are many other softwares which people are using for periodic follow-ups and database. So you know exactly how many patients came to your clinic, how many of them have taken treatment, how many of them have not taken treatment, and how many of them have treated from your practice. This is very important. If you like this video on dental practice management, please subscribe to our channel, because I regularly update my channel with a lot of tips. So the tip for today is collect the database of your customer. This is very important, and please do it, and thank you and God bless you. Please put your valuable comments in the comment column. Thank you and God bless you.